Here, Tennessee's got an official state rifle now. Imagine all that. Here we go. Tennessee's new official state rifle. Washington Post. You read on it down there, you hear about how one was whining about it, and this, that, and the other. And I understand Barrett's is made in Tennessee, but this is the official firearms of the states. Pennsylvania, Indiana, West Virginia, Alaska, Model 70 in Alaska. That's pretty cool. Utah has a 1911. Arizona, Colt single action. Tennessee, Barrett 50 cal. Big boom. Anyway, I kind of thought that was cool, but especially in these days with the political bull crap going on, all the shit and bullshit and this shit and that shit. Anyway, I'm gone.